The design is a 10 out of 10. It's one of my favorite supercars that money can buy right now. Ooh, V12 Symphony. The car is amazing. Lamborghini has done an amazing job. Hello guys and welcome inside the Lamborghini Revuelto. Today is the day and we will be driving it on the regular roads here. Let me just open up the door for you. Also nice the Revuelto animation here. And let me show you how the car looks from the outside. And here we have it in grigio acceso. I honestly don't know how to pronounce it, but I hope it's totally fine. The spec is amazing. Talking about the Revuelto in specific, 6.5 liter V12. I mean, I've said it all. Plug-in hybrid. You can drive it either in electric or with the V12 here. We are in an industry place here, so it's completely empty and we will be having some fun with this. We will be just taking it for a spin and I will be telling you more about it and how it drives. We actually had the opportunity to drive it before everyone else did on the racetrack only. But now I just honestly don't want to really push it to the max. I just want to see how the car drives on a regular basis. So what I have to say, first things first, the design is a 10 out of 10. It's one of my favorite supercars that money can buy right now. The entrance inside, you can see, is so much more easier now. Space wise, it's perfect. It's honestly perfect. I'm 190 and normally my head would be touching the roof first and my legs would be struggling to fit, but honestly speaking that works. Starting the ignition first. Let me close the flying doors here. There we go. And as soon as I push the brakes and start, the car will be always starting in electric drive mode. So let me just buckle up, seatbelts here, ready to go. I mean, we've already done the walk around and talking about everything outside, but now I'll be telling you how it feels to drive it in the inside. So ready to go. All you gotta do is pull the brakes and shift once up, first gear, and as we're driving electric there's only one gear. The HMI system here is pretty easy to use. As you can see, you have literally everything you want to have in here. Let me just go ahead with the settings. Just go to vehicle and then just talk about dynamics. We'll be showing you all the infos you can get. For example, the engine status, the E range, the G meter, TPMS, LDVI, the BTM and the ADAS. Everything here, everything you need to have. And you also have a trunk opener here. Anyways, let's focus on the car itself. Releasing the handbrake here, there we go. And driving a Lamborghini Aventador Successor full electric. Even though we have a V12 looking at us, this is pretty funny to do. But as soon as you switch it all the way up, I mean, this is a perfect thing to have, because if you don't want to disturb your neighbors, all you got to do is drive out in electric mode and then ooh, V12 Symphony, the startup. But now still, we're driving here. The V12 is ready, but normally the V12 needs to warm up. For that, Lamborghini has thought of a super simple thing, an extremely intelligent thing. So when you drive the car, it will be actually warming up the engine before the drive. So you will be always driving in electric mode for a few minutes until the engine has reached the perfect temperature. So then the engine will be switched on and you can have the V12 driving. You can switch it from Strada to Sport to Corsa, and this is where things get quite interesting, I'm just saying. Guys, there's literally no one here. It's completely empty. Wow. Let me also see if I can do a race start, the launch control. Launch start. 3, 2, 1. Oh, ah! Crazy. There's so much power. Whoa, whoa. Crazy. So much power. First gear, crazy. Wow, lovely. Let me also give you a few revs. Let me put both windows down. You can already hear the cooling. Let me rev it for you. It goes all the way up to 8,500 RPM, V12, naturally aspirated. The sound is amazing. Wow, I love the sound so much. What do you guys think about the sound? Okay, we'll be doing the last launch control here. Here we go. Okay guys, are you ready? Just push that once, hold it, okay. Whoa! Crazy power! It's sitting so good. All-wheel drive. Crazy. This car is absolute crazy. It looks like a spaceship and drives like a rocket. This thing is absolutely stunning. Exterior design wise, look wise, also from the inside, daily usability, also with the electric motors. It's so good. The car is amazing. Lamborghini has done an amazing job building one of the best super hypercars in my opinion. This is so good. What do you guys think?